In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two Bluetooth earbuds to one Windows PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect any compatible set of Bluetooth earbuds to the same computer, laptop, or any Windows device. You will be able to connect them and listen to the same audio simultaneously. You can also control the audio individually using a program and customize their preferences without affecting both at the same time. So essentially, you can use them both at the same time and customize what each of them is going to hear. So connecting them is simple enough. You just enable Bluetooth on your Windows PC, and once it is enabled, you choose the option to add a new Bluetooth device. Most sets of earbuds will automatically go into pairing mode as soon as you open the lid. If yours doesn't, then you will most likely have to press a specific button on the case or on the earbuds themselves. Just make sure that they go into pairing mode. Sadly, I can't give instructions for every single model of earbuds. You just have to know how your specific model goes into pairing mode, and once they are in pairing mode, choose them from the list of available devices. With this done, both of them should be connected and you can try using them. If you notice that they don't work both at the same time, or you still want to customize them, what you have to do is download Voice Meter Banana. This is a free tool. So just look for Voice Meter Banana on Google, and as you can clearly notice by the interface, what this allows you to do is customize each audio device individually. So essentially, you have the first set of earbuds and then the second one here. And you will be able to customize the audio levels. You can customize what they hear, if one is used in a specific program or not, and so on. You can have all of the presets here, and it is simple enough to set up. So just download the tool and you can customize everything to your liking. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two Bluetooth earbuds to one Windows PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.